Okay guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp using Drake and with a deep live cam, the latest version. So we are learning how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp or Telegram using any celebrity of your choice. Please remember, this is an educational video. Do not use it illegally. So quickly, this is the deep live cam, the latest version that comes with poison blend, map faces to get accuracy of your faces, and then say no to this you don't see your ear while making a video call. Okay, so everything is fixed in this latest version. To download it, check the description below to download this particular deep live cam. Okay, so we're going to learn how to use OBS and NDI webcam to make call on WhatsApp or Telegram. So we're going to learn connection of OBS and connecting NDI webcam to WhatsApp and using it to make call. It's a simple step, simple procedure. I put everything in shape for you. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment, share the video, and of course comment in the comment section and let us interact. I want to get feedback. I want to interact with you. I respond to your comments and I'll try to make videos upon your request. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you the procedure. Okay, so let's start by opening the AfroKit Deep Live Cam folder. So I'll open this folder and then I will run tensor T. And this is the command I'm using to run the deep live cam. Okay, so I'll use double click on tensor T to open it, give it a minute to load. Alright, so I'll zoom this guy out so we can see exactly what we're doing. Now this is the app interface. Okay, so likely you're going to come over here and select a face that we want to use. I'm going to select this fine boy that I like so much, so I'll put him here, and then I'll leave every other thing like this the way it is in this left section here. Just keep the audio and then come over to this side. Keep FPS, keep frame. Don't turn this guy off. Stay away from this guy if you're making a live video call. So stay away from this one if you're using a live video call. And then we can use the poison blade, and that's it. Technically, that's it. One more thing to do, I'm going to increase the sharpness to about 0.5 or 0.6, that range, and come down here and select your camera. Always make sure to select your camera before you click live. Okay, so you will see camera at the bottom section of this interface, app interface. Just click on the arrow key here and select your camera. So I'm selecting this camera, that my external webcam. I'll select it and then I will click on live and give it a minute for the preview to pop up. Always give it time to load. Okay, once you click it, you don't get the response immediately. You wait about a few seconds for the preview to pop up. Okay, so if it has loaded, you're going to see the preview over here. So this is the preview. Let me open the preview. So this is the preview panel, and this is me. Look at the beards. Look how it cloned the beards, and that's very nice. Look at the beards here. You can see the beards, and the matte synchronizes well as well. That's cool. I'm a very dark person, so you see, you don't expect the best color quality from someone like me using this kind of complexion to clone my face. Okay, so it should be color matching. Let's say if I am dark, I'm supposed to use somebody that is actually dark or less a light complexion like this one. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using this guy. So let's get down to running it on a live video call. Okay, so next I'm going to go to OBS. Okay, so I'll come over to OBS and open OBS. Before I open the OBS, let me just explain something to you. This images folder, this is where I put my images that I use for this tutorial. You can see the image over here. So that's just that. Now let's open OBS and try to make a live call with this software. Okay, So I'll open OBS. I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so this is my OBS. Look, the result is just exactly the same as we're seeing on the preview. Okay, so having opened OBS like this, so I have opened OBS and I have connected my window capture. This is it, window capture to show Python preview. If you don't know how to do this, once you have added your scene, your OBS display is might be different from this one that I have here, but two things to note is scene and sources section. The scene is automatically created once you download OBS. So you come to this sources section and add window capture. On this window capture, you select Python preview from the option. If you come up here, you see Windows, you see the option to select Python preview. That is it. Now let's go back and open NDI webcam. I'll come over here and open this one, NDI webcam. It should pop up on this. Yeah, this is it. NDI webcam is configured to display anything that I have on OBS. You understand? The NDI webcam is displayed to show anything that I have on OBS. You can see it from this place here, Omen OBS. So my NDI webcam is configured to display anything that I have on OBS. So now I'm going to move over to WhatsApp and try to call somebody or call myself, and you will see how I will configure the NDI and the WhatsApp together. Okay, so let's open WhatsApp. Okay, so on my WhatsApp, I'll come over to this settings section, and then I'll come to video and voice. Here, video and voice, click on it. Okay, I got it. Allow. Then on this camera option, you're going to choose this NDI webcam video 1 as your default camera. This is how to configure OBS, NDI and WhatsApp to make a video call. This NDI webcam video 1 that we selected is this particular guy here. So this is the webcam that transfer what we have on OBS to a webcam, so that we can use it on WhatsApp. WhatsApp cannot see OBS webcam. That is why you need to configure your OBS with NDI. And NDI is good. It works globally on all apps. So you can use OBS and NDI to make call on WhatsApp, Telegram, any social platform that uses camera. You just have to connect NDI to OBS, and that is it. All right, having done that, let me select my microphone. I want to use a different one, so I'm going to use this microphone and speaker. Yeah, just leave speaker like that. So I'll come back to the conversation where I was. Where is it? Okay, here. And then I'll call this person. I'm going to call my wife on a video call. So let's see and check the result how it goes. So I'm calling. Okay, so it shows here that it is ringing. All right, let me answer the call from here. Okay, so let me turn this volume down so that I don't have glitches on the network. All right, so this is it. Hi. You can see the synchronism. The phone that I'm calling is actually right here on the table, and the person that I'm using it to call is still the same me. You understand? So I don't want to show multiple faces on my on this video. That's why I'm calling myself to do the test run. Let me show you the phone. Look, this is it. Just shake it out. You can see the call that's going on right now on this phone, and this is me, and this is the person I'm using to call. You see? All right, so that is it. Make sure to follow me on this channel. Okay, follow me, like the video, share and comment. I'm going to show you more tips every time on how to use softwares on your Windows, Mac and Linux. All right, so until next time, I hope you learned something, I hope you shared something, and I hope you appreciate something. I'll see you in the next one.